Welcome to Webidex. Previously on Webidex, we talked about 7 possible causes of website failure. This is the 5th video of the video series Creating a Successful Website. Today we are going to explain factors to consider when designing a successful website and how to get more traffic or more visitors to the website. One of the most important factors in building a successful website is making sure to minimize the potential for failure mentioned in our previous video. Also, having a proper plan prior to creating the website is a key point to making your website a success. So in this video series, we discuss some key points that may be considered important to make your website successful. In today's video, we are going to explain how to get visitors to your website. So stay tuned until the end of this video and don't skip the video as you will miss important facts. Let's move to the video. 1. How to get visitors to your website. Before creating a website, you need to have a proper plan on how to attract people, visitors/traffic, to the website, because you will not be able to make money if people do not come. Website is not something that can be done by giving priority to everything that you think, what others say, they like and know and just don't know anything. In all of this, you need to have a proper vision and a plan to build a successful website. Nowadays, you can see several main ways to attract people to a website, of which the organic traffic obtained through the search engine has a special place. This process of obtaining traffic through search engines is called SEO. In addition to search engines, social media platforms, posting ads on various advertising platforms like Google AdWords, Taboola, content ads, various forums, and videos as well as ad spaces on various websites are good sources to gain quality traffic to your website. Of these, we are going to talk about search engine optimization, SEO. In order to get traffic from search engines, you need to do SEO on a precise basis in everything you do on the website from beginning to end. To do this, you need to have a clear understanding of SEO and use methods that are compatible with the website you plan to create. Because there are so many ranking factors introduced in SEO, it may not be enough for you to do just a few of them easily. The important thing is to do everything you can and should do to get your website up in the rankings. We will talk about these methods in more detail in the upcoming videos. 2. How to make money through your website. As always, since the creator of a website focuses on making money, it is vital to pay attention to how and in what ways the website will make money when designing the website. Therefore, focusing on the earning methods after you create the website is not a successful method. There are several ways in which a website can make money, but the most important methods are becoming an ad publisher and doing affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is one of the main topics in focus on making money online. This method can be considered one of the most successful and most popular methods in the world because it is one of the highest earning methods. This simply means promoting a product or service through our website or converting people who visit the website for making a purchase. This is certainly not a fraudulent promotion activity. Often those who find the merits of a product or service before purchasing it, those who seek to compare goods and services, and those who find solutions to certain problems and issues are guided to buy what suits them best. Likewise, if someone makes a purchase through your referral link, you will receive a relevant commission. This commission can be a percentage or a fixed value depending on the monetary value. These can be called CPA, cost per acquisition, or CPL, cost per lead. As an ad publisher, when we talk about making money from a website, we can talk about the Google AdSense that many people in the world do. In addition to AdSense, there are many ad publisher networks in the world. MediaNet, Taboola, Ezoic, Mediavine, and AdThrive are just a few other such ad publisher networks. This is where giving the opportunity to advertise on your website comes into play. These can be referred to as the CPC, cost per click, network, or in some cases the CPM, cost per thousand impressions, network. From some of those ad networks, you can make more money than AdSense. But some of them cannot. However, you can use an ad publisher network that suits your needs and your website as well as your own. Regardless of which ad network is used, it is a must to have created your website to comply with the requirements of the ad network company that you wish to use, to obtain their approval, and use the relevant ad network on your website. So you need to pay proper attention to this if you have a plan to use ad networks. For example, if you use an ad publisher network such as AdSense, there are a number of relatively strict rules and regulations that you need to be considered. Among them, AdSense approval also focuses on the quality of the content, articles/content, of the website and what the content is about. Even though Google doesn't pay much attention to the website traffic when approving AdSense, companies like Ezoic, Mediavine, and AdThrive mainly base their approval decisions based on the traffic of the website. Before naming something like AdSense, it is important to read and review some of the pages that Google information about AdSense program policies and content guidelines before launching a website. This will help you to avoid backlash. So, what is your website about? If you focus on the revenue that can be earned through the website, what kind of audience is your website targeting? What kind of audience you should target? We will discuss all these facts in our next video. Comment below if you have queries, and we will try our best to reply to them all. That's all for today, pals. Please give a thumbs up if you really learned something. Also, if you are new to Webidex, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell as well, so you won't miss our upcoming videos. So before we leave, keep in mind, don't work hard, work smart. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a great day.